eToro Wallet app pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume eToro Wallet charges monthly fees just to hold crypto. The surprising truth is, opening and maintaining an eToro wallet is free. You only pay small conversion or network fees when sending crypto to external addresses, and these are always clearly shown before you confirm a transaction. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. For example, if you transfer Bitcoin to another wallet, you pay the network fee but no extra eToro charge. The app also allows instant conversions between supported cryptocurrencies, making it easy to manage your portfolio on the go. Security is a major focus. eToro Wallet uses advanced encryption, biometric login, and cold storage for the majority of crypto assets. This ensures that your funds remain protected while giving you full control over your digital assets. In conclusion, the eToro Wallet app offers a free, secure, and flexible way to manage cryptocurrency. With transparent fees and robust security, it's ideal for beginners and experienced users alike who want to send, receive, and hold crypto without surprises.